Meet GoChair, the most stable and portable seat designed for any adventure. The sturdy and comfortable GoChair sits tall and packs small by folding to the size of a water bottle, making it perfect for taking and storing anywhere. Forget taking 2 chairs with 2 hands on multiple trips. Now you can carry 3 times as many in one journey. GoChair is designed so you can easily carry 6 at once. And unlike other chairs that can take half a minute or more to construct, GoChair instantly opens and sets up in less than 5 seconds. Just pop it open with one motion and extend the telescoping arms. That's it. And when you're ready to go, just press the button to release the frame, put away the arms, and wrap it up to stow away. So you can spend less time hauling and more time enjoying where it counts. Weighing under 3 pounds, GoChair can hold over 100 times its own weight, with stability up to 300 pounds. Featuring quick-drying nylon canopy, the GoChair is built for durability and all types of weather. From lake days in spring and summer vacations to fall getaways and winter sports, GoChair is the last set of portable chairs you'll ever need to own. Based in Santa Barbara, California, we have decades of manufacturing experience and are ready to make and ship your GoChairs.
Hi, I'm Sam Chesluck, one of the GoChair founders. Look, life is short, time is limited, and we want to fill our lives with great experiences. Just like you, we love getting outside with our friends and family, and we're always looking for ways to optimize our gear to allow for our active lifestyles.
We have tested over 12 functional prototypes before arriving at the final GoChair design. We released production tooling on all GoChair components. You can order with full confidence. GoChair is ready to ship.
We want GoChair to get you out more often in comfort wherever you go. Please support us and buy your GoChair today. We know you will love it just as much as we do.
Where do you want to go with GoChair? Pre-order now to receive exclusive discounts at thegochair.com.